Samsung is gearing up to elevate its foldable lineup with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, and if recent leaks are accurate, this could be one of its most exciting upgrades yet. Rumors have already suggested a sleeker design, a larger inner display, and enhanced durability. Now, a new leak hints at significant camera improvements that could turn this foldable into a photography powerhouse. The biggest news is that Samsung is reportedly equipping the Galaxy Z Fold 7 with a massive 200-megapixel main camera, a huge upgrade from its predecessor. Additionally, we might see an improved under-display camera for better selfies and video calls. If you've been waiting for a foldable that doesn't compromise on camera quality, the Z Fold 7 could finally be the one. According to Galaxy Club, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be the first globally available Z Fold to feature a 200-megapixel sensor, a major upgrade from the 50-megapixel camera on the Fold 6. This leak aligns with earlier rumors, indicating that Samsung is finally bringing its premium foldable into flagship camera territory. For years, foldable phones have trailed behind traditional flagships like the Galaxy S Ultra series in camera performance, but that could be about to change. With this upgrade, Samsung is making it clear that it's serious about closing the gap between foldables and traditional flagships. So, what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 7's camera setup if the leaks are accurate? Here's how it might shape up. 200-megapixel main camera, a huge jump from the 50-megapixel sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing expansive shots, 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, improved under-display camera featuring a better sensor for enhanced clarity in selfies and video calls. The under-display camera, tucked beneath the inner screen, has long been one of the weaker points of Samsung's foldables. Since its debut in the Fold 3, the technology has yet to match flagship quality standards. However, with rumors of an upgraded sensor, we could finally see clearer selfies and sharper video calls, making the inner display even more practical and functional. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Samsung has already introduced a 200-megapixel foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. However, there was a catch. It was exclusive to South Korea and China, meaning most users never got the chance to try it. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, on the other hand, seems to be bringing this camera upgrade to a global audience. This means more users will finally get to experience a high megapixel sensor on a foldable. And if Samsung optimizes both the hardware and software, this could be the best camera system ever seen on a foldable phone. The big question is, does a 200-megapixel camera make the Galaxy Z Fold 7 a must-buy, or should Samsung prioritize other features like battery life or built-in stylus support within the Hinge? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Until next time, happy tech hunting.